Do you know how to enable file name extensions on your computer? Okay, I'm using Windows 10. Just watch this video and I will guide you how you can do that. Let's get into the PC. Okay, just think there's a folder here. I'm going to right click here and then I'm going to select on new and then I will select on this text document here. Okay, I got something like .txt. Okay, if you don't see this thing here, you can go to view tab here and then click on this file name extensions tick. Actually, when the checkbox is enabled, so you can see the extension here, but when the checkbox is disabled, so you can't see the extension here. So that's how you can do that. By the way, if you don't see this view, you have to follow this step. Okay, just think you use Windows 7 or Windows XP. Just click on Windows icon, then type folder options. So then you will see file explorer options here. Okay, now here you can see the view tab and then you have to click on this show hidden files and folders. That's all. So I think you got something from this video. Please like, comment, share and go to my YouTube channel and just click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.